Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover permanently delayed files and folders in Windows 11. So let's start. So wait, first method is check your recycle bin, and how you can do it? Well, first just have to go to your search bar and looking for recycle bin. Okay, so just click here. You will check here if appears. Okay, so that's how you can check it, and you can recover any file. Just click here and you will see that appears recover. Okay, so you can recover any file here. So if this is not working, also you can go to your Windows Store here and right here recovery Windows file, and then you will find many apps that can help you to recover the files. I recommend you this as Windows File Recovery. Just click here, it's completely free. You can install, and that's it. Well, when you install it, you can recover files, okay, from your computer. So you have two options here. The first one is check your recycle bin if there is the file that you can recover, and the second one, well, is download this app that says Windows File Recovery for checking and trying to recover all your files that you delayed before. So guys, well, I hope one of these helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.